everyone, it's me, Miss Branch, the art teacher, here with you with lesson number 8. And yes, we just read the book or listened to the book, Perfect Piggies. And you got to hear them sing the book too. That was a lot of fun. So I thought we'd paint our own piggies. Yeah. So let me go ahead and switch my camera so I can get us started. All right, so first things first, we're going to start with the nose, then the eyes, and the mouth, and the head, the ears, and then the body. And we're going to use a crayon. I went over it with the Sharpie first time. I did it with the pencil, but I think it'll do better. Not, I painted over the lines with the pencil. I didn't go over with the Sharpie. Painted a black line, but I think the crayon will do a better job for us. So let's go ahead and get started this time. And so in the middle of your paper, you have your paper horizontal. You're going to make a circle, kind of smallish. That's going to be our pig's nose. And then we're going to put 2 ovals on the inside. And then we're going to draw 2 circles above that circle for the eyes. Yeah, much better. And then we're going to give them a big smile. Now we're going to draw a circle around the head. And then we're going to give them some wiggly, wavy ears, a wavy line. There's 1 ear. And then a wavy line. There's 2 ears. And now we're going to do the rest of the pig's body. So it's going to be like making a big sideways letter C. If you want to turn your paper sideways, you can make your big C all the way around from ear to ear. And then this space right here for the back of the pig, we're going to do another curved line. So now we have our back of our pig. And now for the feet, we're going to make some letter M's. So I'm going to turn it upside down and you're going to make an M. And then come on this side and make an M. And then for the feet that are in the back, we're going to make 2 more M's, but they're going to be smaller. So they look like they're in the back. And so now we get to mix our colors to make the pink, which is a tint of red when you add white to red. So let's go ahead or add red to white. Let me get my paintbrush. And I'm going to pick up some red paint. And I'm going to bring it over to my white paint. And I'm going to stir. The more I stir, the lighter the pink will be. So now I'm going to paint my piggy. Oh yeah, that black was better than the pencil that I did because it's making a resist. And I'm going to carefully go around that nostril because I'm going to paint that nostril black on the inside. So I'm carefully going around and I'm going to carefully go around the eyes. So I'm going to keep the eyes white. And I can go in the ears. It's fine. And paint the belly, and the rest of the body. And I'm starting to run out of a little bit of paint. So now let's go back and pick up some more. Again, go around that eye carefully. And paint that ear. And then do my pig feet. Here we go. And there is our perfect piggies. He's a perfect piggy, all right. And I'm just spreading the paint some more. Oh, wait, I gotta do the nostrils. Let's see. Missed the spot right there and right there. All right, so first things first. Let me go ahead and add some more water and clean up this white before it remains pink. And I did get a new white that I had cut some up. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the rest of that red off of there and get my white to being white again. And I'm going to rinse my brush off and pick up just a little bit of black and carefully do the inside of the nose. I probably could have got rid of a little bit more water off my brush, but it's okay. I just won't move it around. This was a super quick project though, but it was a lot of fun. But guess what? If you have more paper and more space, you can do more piggies and lots of piggies. It was really easy. We got to use circles and ovals and wavy lines. Oh, and the letter M for the feet. So we got to use just a couple of shapes. So circles. Let's see. Let's count the circles. I'm gonna use the one that's not wet because I don't want the black to drip on mine. Or you know what? I'll just switch cameras again. All right, wait a second. Replace. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles, and 1, 2 wavy ear shapes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 M shapes. That was really, really super easy. All right, so let me go ahead and change again. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.